pointing the camera at the people spraying me or keeping the camera on me getting splashed, but some of these people got a whole like bags of ice cubes in their water. Woo! They're driving around with the fucking bin of water on the scooter. Good one. Drive-bys. The sneak attack. Not the beer though. Coconut. Try to keep my hand over it. Oh wow. Oh, she missed. That was a good one. Straight up my nose. Hello, hello. Happy Songkran.
Hello.
Why are you not wet?
Happy Songkran Festival ค่ะ
Thank you. Oh, happy Songkran you. Oh, hello. Good times. It's fun to get the people riding by on scooters. That dude's got a bag of water. Whew. I gotta recharge. Woo, yeah. Oh, wow. Where you go? Oh yeah? 7-Eleven. Why you not wet?
I'm wet already.
Oh. Wait. Good?
Good.
Very good, very good. Good.
Yeah. No one buy me drink. Can't see it. Superhighway แล้ว Superhighway. Yeah. Superhighway.
Okay, good. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, very good. Shortcut. Oh, wet. So wet. So wet. Oh, wow. For me. Very good.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Oh. Okay. Very good. It's the big blue coolers you want to check because a lot of times that shit is ice water, and it's the ice water that really seems to work good. Some little girl just got me in the ear. This dude's got it. Got the style. People splashing themselves over there. There's definitely more action in this part of town. But I have no idea where that cold is. I see a cooler over there though. That's my best bet. Woo! Check the temperatures. There it is. Woo! People eating sandwiches and shit. How you gonna eat a sandwich during Songkran? Hand over the beer, yo. Can't let it get compromised. Binthabat. Hello, thank you. Ice cold. She's got the cold. She's letting me get some of her cold, dude. Ice water. That's what really people like the most, I'm pretty sure. I know I do. All of a sudden, I can't open them. cold water. Woo! Kapun Kap. So good, thank you. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, so cold. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Woo! Yeah, big one. Yeah. Songkran. Oh, kapun kap, yo. Oi.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are
Tomorrow. How are you next year?
you? Next year I'm very good. Always very good. Very good.
I don't know.
She don't know.
You crazy.
Oh. Very good. Very good. Oh. You get. Oh. Okay. Woo.